This evening, the cost of a Shiba Inu is set to double. Huge Shib news. With new coins and tokens routinely entering the market, like Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium, cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more well-liked and accepted. In future Layer 2 or L2 blockchain network called Shibarium is designed for Shiba Inus. It will turn the meme currency Shiba Inu into an entire ecosystem. This video will discuss how the price of Shiba Inus is set to double tonight. Huge Shib news. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu has established itself as a notable meme coin and earned a spot among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The group behind Shib has continued to develop and work on a number of projects at a steady clip. The Shib ecosystem is well renowned for its illustrious milestones and landmark accomplishments. On August 26, Binance announced its decision to remove Shiba Inu from the innovation zone, marking one of the most recent accomplishments. Shiba Inu will be moved on August 26 along with other tokens like FraxShare, Trust Wall, and a token and 1 inch out of the innovation zone, according to the specifics of a recent release from the largest cryptocurrency exchange. In the release, Binance stated that the innovation zone was created to provide users with a secure environment in which to exchange cutting-edge ideas. Some of these initiatives may have gained traction over time and come up to the high bar we set for them. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove Shib and several other tokens from the innovation zone after giving it great consideration. After Binance performed assessments based on numerous parameters, Shib reached this milestone. So, in an effort to stress test the network, someone wrote a script to create millions of wallets. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, continues to rise, raising questions about the reason behind this dramatic increase. Recent leaks claim that a script was used to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network. A recent tweet from a member of the team behind the Shiba Inu-based NFT project ShibPixelPups revealed this. The person said that they wrote a script that created over 9.5 million PuppyNet wallets and executed over 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member continued by saying that they were also in charge of creating about 1,620 tokens for the test network. These tokens include ShibPixelPups DAO, SPP-DAO, and ShibPixelPups token, SPPX. Data from PuppySkin, PuppyNet's official block explorer, reveals that the network presently has an amazing 13.3 million wallet addresses and over 3.47 million transactions. Remember that throughout the past 2 days, the number of wallets increased by 86%, reaching 5 million. This extraordinary surge was caused by this script. The test network's goal is to give interested parties the chance to run various tests on the network to confirm its dependability and efficacy before it is introduced to the mainnet. All activity, tokens, and transactions shown on the testnet are exclusively for testing reasons and are not actual transactions, as Satoshi Kazama, the Shiba Inu lead, has frequently highlighted. The creation of a script to create millions of test network wallets is a commendable endeavor because it may help assess the blockchain's scalability and effectiveness. It can also assist in finding any potential flaws or errors that might emerge along the procedure. For determining the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. According to the script's authors, they wanted to gauge the network's capacity to handle heavy traffic circumstances, such as games and airdrops. They also suggested performing an airdrop script and other experiments to evaluate the network's resiliency, transaction speed, and other features. No bugs have been reported as of yet. The ship burning in March so far have been extremely remarkable. 540 transactions totaling 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burnt in March. Thus, compared to the previous months, both the total number of ships destroyed and the number of transactions both showed a considerable rise. The burn in March was the greatest since 2,433 deals, totaling 905 million ships, were burnt in October 2022. Over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burnt in 3 transactions, with 25.31 million of them originating from a single wallet, according to the Ship Burn Tracker's announcement from yesterday. The Coinbase-associated wallet Coinbase 10, which transferred a staggering 25,313,097 ships to the burn address in a one transaction, was the source of this greatest transaction. In comparison to the previous day's burn rate of 2.93 million ships, this transaction increased the overall burn rate by 1,108%. The futures market is another source of evidence for the increasing trend. Shiba Inu has experienced an upsurge in open interest, or OI, from the start of March. The indicator represents the quantity of active contracts positions that investors have taken. Data from CoinGlass indicates that there are more over 2 trillion ships, or roughly $26.78 million, worth of open futures. OI was just approximately $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest is proof that merchants are becoming more interested in ships. The OI was $47.3 million at the time the ship price reached its annual high of $0 and 1,591 cents in early February. At the time of publication, the Shiba Inu cost $0 and 1,083 cents. The ship price is presently trading in a rising triangle, a continuation pattern, as was noted on NewsPC. SHIB has established a new higher low with today's decline at $0 and 1,064 cents. As a result, the upward tendency is still present. By the end of April, it may be clear whether the bulls or bears have won out. Shiba Inu has just started catching the attention of investors, as seen by the fact that its futures open interest, or OI, recently soared to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million, following a steady climb that began a month ago. This upward trend shows a resurgence of demand, raising concerns about a price increase. The entire number of futures contracts that have not been settled or closed out by an offsetting deal is referred to as the futures open interest. In essence, it shows how many active contracts are still being held by market players. When open interest for a particular asset rises exponentially, it typically means that a lot of fresh money is entering the market, and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price changes. Shiba Inu's open interest has climbed by nearly 52% from the low of $18.05 million, seen on March 13, to the current amount of $27.51 million worth of SHIB tokens, or $2.4 trillion, according to data from CoinGlass, a future trade intelligence platform. The OI chart shows a relationship between SHIB's open interest and price movement, with the asset's price frequently rising when OI does. On February 5, OI grew to 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million. This was accompanied by a rise in SHIB's price, which reached its highest value this year on that day, of $0 and 1,527 cents. But after February 5, SHIB's OI started to fall, and the asset's price started to fluctuate. The open interest is once again seeing an increase in value after falling to a low on March 13. Investors anticipate that the asset's price will increase accordingly. The amount of trades on Binance has also shown signs of renewed interest in SHIB. Shiba Inu's volume on Binance has been slowly rising every day for the previous 4 days after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. At this time, the volume for today is 2.44 trillion tokens. SHIB is attempting to exit an ascending triangle. It is now trapped in during the prolonged consolidation phase, despite its current underperformance. The asset's price is $0.11 right now, down 0.97% over the last 24 hours, but up 0.8% over the last hour. The February highs of $0.15 may be the objective for SHIB if the triangle is broken above. Recent trends indicate that the asset has gained popularity with market players, and an increase in demand might help it achieve its objectives. According to CoinMarketCap's Q1 2023 report, SHIB was one of the top 3 assets watched globally. The Shiba Inu community has also lately hinted at further partnerships, including an iconic one with famed singer Scott Page and an NFT cooperation with well-known American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, who would carry SHIB on his online store. The day is over now. To view our most recent material, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.